Hi guys, Royce from 3D Print RV, home of Klevacool fridge fans. Wanted to take a bit of time today to show you our external fridge fan systems. So the idea of fitting fans to the back of your vent is to improve airflow so that the hot air gets removed from behind the fridge. This helps it work better in hotter weather and improves efficiency overall. So the 3D Print RV system is very simple to fit. You've got two plates that mount on the back, 3D printed plates. They self-align, mount on with zip ties, very quick and simple to fit. Very quiet fans, so we've actually added an LED that shines through the vent and tells you what the fans are doing. The fans also vary their speed, so they increase when it gets hotter so that they move more air from behind your fridge. Makes for very quiet operation and very efficient. You can see here the two fans are spinning very slowly. That's because it's quite cool in here. I've actually got them forced on, otherwise they wouldn't be running, by using our Klevacool remote. So the Klevacool remote's just connected via a cable to the control board on the back of the vent, and you can turn them on to automatic, in which case the LED went green telling us that it's not hot enough for the fans to run. So it's got power and it's ready to go, and you can also force them off if you want to. We'll turn them back on. So this is a twin fan system. This is designed for the smaller vents. You'd find those mostly on small campers, pop tops, things like that, but some of the larger vans have them. We also have a triple fan system for the larger vents. We use 3 fans on these to get a little bit of extra airflow. Once again, still got the automatic Klevacool controller, still got temperature sensing fans, so they vary their speed up and down. All our systems are Australian made, certified by the Australian Made Foundation, and all our fan kits come with a 3-year warranty. So if you have any issues at all, our phone number is on the instructions. When you make a call, you'll actually be speaking directly with me. The fans come with an install kit which contains your cable, zip ties in 2 different colours to match your vent, fuse holder, everything you need, and a very comprehensive instruction manual with lots and lots of pictures and information in there. Our phone number's on there should you have any issues. It's simply a matter of zip tying the plates to your vent and then connecting power and earth, which is quite often readily available behind your fridge. Pardon me, fridge. All right guys, thanks for your time. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.